3, 4.
So let's say you have a need to find your stuff, but don't need a complete warehouse system. And let's say you don't want to commit special spaces to special items in your inventory. So what you need is software that gives you a virtual warehouse with virtual bins or locations. Now you can reuse the space, any space if you need to use it. And this is really the cat's meow. But then you need to find your stuff. So you really need an easy way to put your stuff into inventory and find it when you need it. How about a barcode tag that you can use to label inventory spaces and boxes of your stuff with a scanner? Oh, and it should be a wireless scanning device too. Well, there you have it.
Where's my stuff?
For more information about AIM Mobility location tracking, contact us at sales@aimcom.com or call 586-439-0300.